Okay, hello, dear followers. Today we are going to learn about fractions and some algebra, some simple maths. Okay, so what is a fraction? A fraction, we mean by this, is apart from a whole. A whole, one, one element, one unit. Okay, one unit. It's divided into parts. And the fraction, it means one part that is equal to all other parts. Okay, but wait, first, what do we need fractions for? So fractions, we need it for example, we want to share things with other people. For example, like you've seen in the pictures, a roll of bread, pizza, a pie, cake. All right, so you want to share it. You divide it to two. All right. So the whole cake is one element. The whole pizza is one element. All right, the whole. But if you want to share it with another person, so here we are going to talk about the half. Half. 1/2. Okay, now we move to practice part. For example, we have 1/2. So the number or the fraction is composed of two numbers. One is above and one is below, and there is a line in between. So the number above the line, so it's called the numerator, right? And the number below the line, under the line, is called the denominator. So what do these numbers say or tell us about? So the top number tells us how many parts of the whole you have or are considering, right? So how many parts, right? For example, here we have one. One, it means you are thinking about one part. And whereas the number under the line, it tells us the total number of equal parts. Okay, the equal parts of the whole that is divided into. So how many parts is divided into? All right. So for example, in this part we have two. So it means the whole part of pizza is divided in two. Okay, now imagine we have one pizza shared by 4 people. Right? They want to have just a little snack. They are not very hungry, and they shared one pizza. So, one pizza divided into 4 pieces. So each one will take 1/4. Okay? So 2 people will take 2 halves, and each one will have 1/4. Okay, here's a remark. So a half, so we don't pronounce L. L is mute, silenced. A half plus a half equals 2 halves. 2 halves, right? So the F sound is changed to V. Okay, also in letters, F changed to V. Half, halves, half, 2 halves. Okay, now again, the whole pizza consists of 4 parts. So each person will take 1 part. It is a quarter. We can say quarter or fourth. All right, so as you can see, 4 different friends, each one of them will have a quarter, and equal, the same size. Equal quarter. And we can say also fourth, but it is more common to say quarter. Okay, 1/2, 2/2, 1/3. The pizza or the pies consist of 3 equal parts. Now 1/4, we can say also 1/4 is more usual. 1/5, the pizza consists of 5 parts. Now, just a little exercise. How do we write and how do we read this? One eighth. Two tenths. Okay, now 3/12. 3/12. It means 3 parts out of total of 12 equal parts. Okay, now 4/15. The top number is 4. It means we are thinking about 4 parts. We have 4 parts. And the ender number is 15. It means the total parts are 15. We have 4 parts out of 15 equal parts. Okay, to sum it up. So the top number, the numerator is easy. You use just easy numbers. 1, 3, 4, 5. The 5 parts you got. Okay, the problem now is the below number, the denominator. It tells us the total number and how do we write it. So you remember the ordinary number that we did last video, okay? The 5th, the 10th, the 9th, etc. So you remove the and plus and add s. That's it. Okay, so we set the number more than 4. Why? Because if it is 4, we are going to say 1/4. 4, it means quarter. 2 quarters, 3 quarters. If it is 3, we are going to say 1/3, 2/3. If it is just 2 parts, we are going to say half. Alright? If it is 1, it is 1 whole.
Whole with equal sized parts, like a pie, brownies or a chart, can be split into fractions to help you find the parts that you want and the parts you left behind. Whether it's made of shapes or numbers, there's a number on top and a number under. 1 whole, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4 or a quarter, whatever's preferred. 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, 1/8, 1/9, 1/10, and 1/11.
Hey, what about me?
And 1/12. The denominator is down. It tells the total number of pieces around, and the numerator calls out the number of parts that you're talking about. 2 wholes, 2 halves, 2/3, 2/4, or quarters, whatever's preferred. 2/5, 2/6, 2/7, 2/8, 2/9, 2/10, and 2/11.
Yeah, I'm still here.
And as high as you wanna go, the denominator is down. It tells the total number of pieces around, and the numerator calls out the number of parts that you're talking about. 3 wholes, 3 halves, 3/3, 3/4, or quarters, whatever's preferred. 3/5, 3/6, 3/7, sevens, 3 eights, 3 nines, 3 tens, and 3 elevens. And 3 twelves.
Okay, now back to the classroom, and we are going to do some maths, very simple and basic maths problems, which are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Okay, first with the addition, and now here I'm not teaching maths, but just for vocabulary. Okay, addition and the verb add. For example, 5 add 5 equals 10. We can say add or plus. Okay, now we move to subtraction problem. So example, 10 subtract 6 equals 4. The verb is subtract. Okay, now we move to multiplication problem. We have number 5 multiplied by 5 equals 25. Okay, now for the last problem, it's division, and the verb is divide. So we have 10 divided by 2 equals 5. We choose just simple numbers.